Teta, wake. Teta n'ụra, wake up from sleep. Hurry up, be fast. Rie nri gị nwayọọ nwayọọ. Eat your food slowly. Welcome back to my channel, Learning Igbo with High Center. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about daily conversation. So sit back and enjoy the lesson. So when you hear teta, teta, it means wake. Alright? Wake. Then teta ụra, wake up from sleep. Ụra means sleep. Ụra, sleep. Alright? Someone might tell you, gaa hie ụra. It means go and sleep. So, wake up from sleep. Teta n'ụra. Biko gbata mmiri. Please fetch water. Biko gbata mmiri. Can you say biko gbata mmiri? Say it again. Biko gbata mmiri. It means please fetch water. Sachaa aka gị. Sachaa aka gị. Wash your hands. Ị saala eze gị. Ị saala eze gị. Have you brushed your teeth? Gaa saa eze gị. Go and brush your teeth. Okay? Go and brush your teeth. Your teeth is smelling. Eze gị na-esi usi. Don't use it on others. So eze gị na-esi usi means your teeth is smelling. Can you say eze gị na-esi usi? Good. Nọdụ ala ka i rie nri. Nọdụ ala ka i rie nri. Sit down and eat. Alright? Sit down and eat. So now what is bring spoon? I've taught you what spoon is called in Igbo, right? So what is bring spoon? Weta ngaji. Remember, spoon is ngaji, while plate is efere. Alright? So bring spoon. Weta ngaji. Good. Kpọọ ụmụnne gị. Kpọọ means call. Call. Alright? So kpọọ ụmụnne gị means call your siblings. Remember, ụmụnne means siblings, right? So ụmụnne gị, your siblings. Now call your siblings. Kpọọ ụmụnne gị. Kpọọ ụmụnne gị ka ha bịa rie nri. Call your siblings so they will come and eat. Or you can say, call your siblings to come and eat. Alright? Kpọọ ụmụnne gị ka ha bịa rie nri. Mee ngwa ngwa. Mee ngwa ngwa. Hurry up. You are about going out to somebody, and the person you are going out with is already waiting for you. Alright? Why you are still dressing up, and the person is hurrying you. Please be fast. Please be quick. Alright? So how you tell someone in Igbo is mee ngwa ngwa. Hurry up or do quick so that we'll go. Mee ngwa ngwa ka anyị pụọ. Or mee ngwa ngwa ka anyị gaa, depending. Alright? Pụọ means leave, while ga means go. Okay? So two of them is about going out, right? So mee ngwa ngwa ka anyị pụọ. Do quick, let's leave. Alright? Mee ngwa ngwa rie nri gị. What is this one? Can you guess it? What it means in English, actually. Mee ngwa ngwa rie nri gị. Do quick and eat your food. Or hurry up and eat your food. Okay? Mee ngwa ngwa rie nri gị. Excellent. Now, what is eat your food slowly? Okay? You know, there are some people that they always eat fast. Whenever they are eating fast. Okay? Even if it's hot, their mouth is stomach. It doesn't even affect them. They don't even feel the hotness. All they know is that they are eating very fast. So when you see such people, you can tell them, eat your food slowly, which means Rie nri gị nwayọọ nwayọọ. Okay, so slowly means nwayọọ nwayọọ. You have to repeat it twice. Nwayọọ nwayọọ. Alright? Rie nri gị nwayọọ nwayọọ. Can you say it? Good. Nye ha nri ka ha rie. Nye ha nri ka ha rie. Give them food, let them eat. Assuming you are a mother telling your older child to give his or her siblings food. Nye ha nri ka ha rie. Give them food, let them eat. Enyi m, my friend. Enyi m. Can you say enyi m? Good. So, enyi means friend. Then, my friend. Enyi m. Enyi m, bịa ka anyị rie nri. My friend, come let us eat. Ka anyị, remember, when you use kam, that means you are referring to yourself alone. Kam. But anyị means you are among the other people, not only you. You are not referring to only yourself. Alright? So, you are included, you and other people. Okay? So, you use anyị. So now, ka anyị rie nri. Let us eat, not let me eat. Are you getting it? So, ezi enyi m, my good friend. Ezi enyi m. Or you can say it in full. Ezigbo enyi m. It means my good friend. Remember, enyi m, my friend. But this one is my good. There is good there. My good friend. Ezigbo enyi m. Can you say ezigbo enyi m? Good. So, ezigbo enyi m, bịa ka anyị rie nri. My good friend, come let us eat. Excellent. This will be bringing us to the very end of this lesson. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in our next lesson. Ka emesịa.